Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ya, welcome to Communication in English. Ya, you will meet me again in Communication in English class. And before we start our lesson today, ya, it will be better we take a prayer first. Kita berdoa terlebih dahulu. Let's take a prayer. Begin. Okay, finish. Okay, student, yeah. The last meeting we have studied about greeting and introduction. Ya, kita sudah belajar tentang salam dan juga perkenalan. And today, yeah, we will continue about our material today. Maybe you have to practice. Yeah, the last meeting, some of you had practice if I say greeting to you, and then about the someone condition, ya. Jadi tell about someone condition. Kemarin tuh kita sudah belajar bertanya tentang salam dan juga menanyakan tentang kondisi seseorang. Ya, today ya we have to remember you about the material. Let's see. Ya, kita lihat dulu. Nanti wait a minute please. Ya, karena kemarin kan kita sudah belajar tentang greeting, kemana ada beberapa dari kalian itu sudah praktek ya. Jadi untuk menanyakan, before we continue our presentation today or our lesson today ya, I want to ask your condition. Ya, good morning everyone. Ya, how are you today? Mana ini gak ada yang jawab? How are you today? I hope you are all fine. Ya, kan kemarin itu kan belajarnya, jadi tidak hanya how are you. Kenapa sih kalau misalnya nanya how are you pasti jawabannya semuanya I'm fine, thank you, I'm fine, thank you gitu. Padahal there is the other answer like I'm good, I am very well, I'm healthy. Ya, bisa juga I'm not bad. Ya. Jadi pertanyaan how are you today atau how are you doing itu tidak harus ya dijawab dengan jawaban I'm fine, thank you, tapi dengan jawaban lain ya. Kemarin kan kita sudah belajar itu. Now maybe we would like to remember you about the someone condition. Sekarang yang belum praktek kemarin, Jaki sudah praktek belum Jaki? Halo Jaki.
Belum Bu.
Ya belum. Dimas belum ya, ini belum semua yang udah Sang Aji. Riandri sudah belum Riandri? Febri udah belum?
Yang mana Bu?
Yang greeting sama someone condition. Asking someone condition.
Someone condition misalnya udah Bu?
Udah ya? Ya, Febri udah sama Sang Haji. Sekarang berarti Jaki, Dimas, Riandri, sama Skar ya. Before we would like to practice, ya, I would like to remember you about the material. Ya, kita review lagi ya. The last meeting we have studied about greeting. Ya, ini nih. The learning objective, ya, you will be understand about expression greeting, both formal and informal, and then expression asking for someone condition, both formal and informal situation, we will be able to understand about expression of taking leave, people, both formal and informal situation, and then student will be able to expression of greeting someone condition and taking leave people in daily life. Ya. Next, about greeting, the formal situation about greeting, you can say good morning. Ya, good morning itu dari jam 24 jam 24, jam 00 sampai jam 12 siang ya. Jadi kalau misalnya sekarang sampai jam 11 katanya udah siang, tapi you say good morning ya. Yes, you say greeting, is it good morning. And then good afternoon 12 until 16 p.m. and good noon or good day ya. Kalau ini tengah hari gitu, setengah hari itu jam 12 tepat. And good evening 6 p.m. till 9 p.m. Ya, ini jam 9 jam 6 sampai jam 9 malam. And then good night, go to bed till 6 p.m. To midnight time ya. And then you can say how do you do, and less formal situation, the greeting hello, hi, how are you, nice to meet you again. Next, okay, about asking the someone condition ya. Di sini kalian kan pasti sering dengar ya, kalau kata-kata how are you itu otomatis jawabannya pasti I'm fine, thanks. How are you today? How do you do? How are you doing? Ya, is it you always answer I'm fine, thank you, but you can answer the other answer. For example, kamu bisa jawab misalnya kalau saya tanya how are you today? I'm right, I'm alright, I'm very well, I'm getting better now. Ya, bisa seperti itu. Terus next, nih, asking someone condition and informal situation. Ya, Abdul Rahman, welcome to Communication in English. Ya, kita lanjut ya. Jadi kalau misalnya mau menanyakan sama temen gitu, jangan dengan how are you saja, tapi dengan pertanyaan lain bisa. Kalau misalnya sama temen dekat, what's up gitu, lebih akrab. Atau how's life? Are you okay? How is going? Is everything alright? Is everything fine? Or is everything okay? Have you been alright? How's everything? How's thing? Ya, ini bisa ditanyakan kepada teman sebaya atau teman yang akrab gitu, your closest friend. And then the response atau jawabannya bisa very well, not too bad, not too well, so juga itu sama ya. Alright, wonderful, great, could not better, it could be bad ya. Kalau misalnya mungkin kalau kurang sehat, not too well, tidak terlalu baik gitu. Ya, atau I'm not well. Ya, you can say like that ya. Sekarang yang terakhir mungkin taking leave people ya, formal situation, it was nice taking with you, goodbye. It's nice to meet you. It's glad to see you. Ya, I really have to go, goodbye, thanks for your time. Ya, bisa seperti itu. Jadi kalau misalnya jangan lupa ketika setelah kamu bertemu dengan seseorang gitu, bilang nice to know you. Kalau misalnya baru kenalan, kalau baru bertemu nice to meet you. Ya, okay, next ya. Maybe you have to understand what I say. And then today I would like to practice you practice about the someone condition. Okay, Abdurrahman, can you hear me? Kita praktek ya. Abdurrahman Hakim. Suara saya kedengar nggak, Abdurrahman Hakim? Abdul?
Apa, Bu?
Okay, Abdul. Abdul, please open your camera and we would like practice to say greeting. We would like to practice greeting and then about someone condition. Ayo open your camera, Abdul.
Praktek apaan, Bu?
Praktek, salam aja salam.
Kayak gimana, Bu?
Ya tadi kan udah dihituin. Kalau misalnya I say, how are you, Abdul? How are you, Abdul? Kamu jawabnya apa gitu? Okay? I'm say greeting and then you say greeting, you what is your response? What is your response? And then after that, mana Abdul kok hilang malahan? Nah, Abdul. Ya, oke Abdul. Ya, can you hear me? Ya, Abdul, please open your camera. Oh, ya udah. Kalau buka kamera keluar, kita praktek aja ya. Oke. Good morning, Abdul.
Iya, Bu.
Good morning, Abdul.
Jawabnya apaan, Bu?
Ya nggak tahu kalau misalnya good morning jawabnya apa. Tadi kan udah dijelasin tuh, udah di review. Kalau good morning jawabnya apa? Ya kalau misalnya di kelas, good morning. Jawabnya apa?
Nggak tahu, Bu.
Masuk kalau misalnya guru kamu di kelas tanya good morning student, good morning everyone, terus jawabnya apa?
How are you apa, Bu?
Masa jawabnya how are you? Coba kalau misalnya saya bilang nih dalam bahasa Indonesia, selamat pagi Abdul, kamu jawabnya ke saya apa?
Pagi juga, Bu.
Ya iya pagi juga, terus kenapa nanya? Ya kalau misalnya saya bilang in English, good morning Abdul.
Morning.
Ya
gitu
morning,
aja, Bu.
Ya good morning Miss, gitu. And ya how's everything?
How's everything?
Ya how's everything atau how are you today?
Apalagi itu, Bu?
How are you
Nggak
today?
ngerti, Bu.
How are you? How are you, Abdul?
How are you, Miss?
Kalau saya tanya how are you today? Kamu jawabnya apa?
Nggak tahu.
Lah, kok nggak tahu sih? Udah dijelasin tadi. Makanya sebelumnya kan lihat kan kemarin sudah pada praktek, terus sudah ada kan di YouTube-nya. Kamu harus lihat tuh kalau misalnya nggak masuk kelas, sampaikan ke teman-temannya. Coba kalau misalnya how are you yang lain selain Abdul, kalau misalnya saya tanya how are you today, jawabnya apa?
Good, Bu.
Iya, I am good. Bisa tuh. Tadi kan sudah dijelaskan. Abdul, makanya didengerin Abdul. Masuk kelas harus didengerin ya. Ulangi coba Abdul. Nilainya nggak ada nih. Ya, open your microphone Abdul. Ya. Good morning Abdul.
Morning, Miss.
Ya. How are you today?
I am good.
Yeah, I am good. Okay, thank you Abdul. Nice to meet you. Bye. Apa jawabannya Abdul? Abdul malah diem lagi. Dasar. Aduh. Next ya. Next Febri. Sekarang kita ke Febri. Halo Febri. Halo Febri. Halo Febri. Febri, can you open your camera and your microphone, please? Febri. Yeah, Febri, can you open your camera and your microphone? Yeah, we would like to practice first. Kita mau praktek. Ya, oke. Kameranya bisa dibuka, Febri?
Udah, Miss.
Ya. Kameranya bisa dibuka? Ya, oke, Febri. Good morning, Febri. Good morning, Febri.
Morning, Miss.
Okay. How are you today? How are you today, Febri?
I'm fine, Miss.
I'm fine, thank you. Okay, thank you. Nice to meet you, Febri. Bye. Ya. Ya, kalau misalnya dibilang nice to meet you, berarti kamu bilangnya apa? Nice to meet you too, gitu. Atau glad to see you. Ya, terus jawabannya, pokoknya saya mau jawaban yang di luar I'm fine, thank you. Jawaban lain. Atau kalau misalnya saya nanya pertanyaan, misalnya what's up? Gitu, kamu jawabnya apa? Ayo Sang Aji, ulang lagi deh Sang Aji. Kita prakteknya ngulang lagi yang kemarin. Please open your camera.
Saya, Miss.
Ya, your kamera and mikrofon ya. Ya, oke. Good morning, Sang Aji.
Morning, Miss.
Ya, and what's up? What's up? Atau how's everything?
I like, thank you.
Hah? I'm? Apa? Very well.
Nama, Miss?
Iya, apa tadi jawabannya? Repeat, please. Very well, thank you. Ya, oke, next. Next, Ranu. Thank you, Sang Aji. Nice to meet you. Ranu.
Ya, Miss.
Ya. Ranu, oke, please open your camera. Ya, oke, Ranu. Good morning, Ranu.
Good morning to.
And are you okay today?
I'm okay.
Yeah, okay. Nice to meet you, Ranu.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, very good. Thank you, Ranu. Ya, ini udah semua ya. Mana Sekar tadi? Sekar malah mau praktek, malah keluar dia. Yeah. Okay, thank you for your attention and your participation today. Ya. Terima kasih atas prakteknya hari ini. Tolong temennya yang belum masuk sama sekali, ya, yang belum praktek, bilang praktek besok ya. Jadi besok praktek lagi untuk komunikasi bahasa Inggris tentang someone condition. Okay, thank you for your attention and your participation today. Ya, I hope you are all fine. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, bye. See you next time.